Hey Diecast lovers, it's Marcus and time for pack hunting. If you not recognize me, I little change my design. Alright, let's do it. We go to Smith, so let's have a look what we can find there. Take care. Some team transport, Porsche 962, and we have Plymouth Cuda FC 1599. Very good price.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
4.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you
We just
felt
find
that
number
way.
1, of course, Spider-Man.
Stay strong and fake a
So,
smile
Dodge
until
Charger
I
stop
look
car.
away. But I've known you
First
too
one.
long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
service.
gray as you fade
Second
away.
one is Sam Blaster.
As you fade away.
Number 3, Silver Trucker.
As you fade away.
Number 4, Camaro. Heavy.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I'm fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I really can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I can pour more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and
I'm
why
not coming to say this number, but first, what is that?
I guess it's
trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Not surprised to
But
say
I've
that.
known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
This one. It's nothing special.
As you fade
Nothing more. Or empty. This one is this model. Star Wars. I showed you the last time as well.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and
only
fake
Honda
a
set.
smile
Let's have a look
until
closer at this Honda
I
set.
look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Few minutes later, probably should be here, but I'll try find more.
living life every day, late at night, not okay. all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool and I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray,
a lot of cars.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my pace? You're only young one, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? I'm glad that you asked me.
As well.
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day.
So what we have here, okay, some diorama is here. So we have the Mario Kart. And we have the Carry On. This is the diorama what I showed you last time. But let's have a look for my line. We have something interesting for my line.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
It's 149. Anybody who ask, so they change the price go little down. This last time when I be here I pay 179, so it's going to be 30p, sorry, less. If I find something interesting, what we have here, some from X-Men, the jet. Always sometimes finding something on the bottom as well. Kura. This casting is, the color of this car is really nice. Hard to find something here. Guys, if you're thinking how you can recognize Super Treasure Hunt and Super Treasure Hunt, you can see the link on the top of the screen here somewhere, and you can see the video when I exactly show step by step how to recognize. So when you go for pack hunting, they'll be easy for you to don't miss any special cars. I see the silver one of this Bugatti, but this is yellow, so it's recolor, really nice. where you are not super treasure hunt. Aboutcars, but nothing. There's only a couple of minutes to check everything. There is no, I cannot show you any treasure hunt as well, because it's nothing to show. Alright guys, so that's it from the main line. There is no, at the moment there is no available any, but from Team Transport, if someone is interesting, I think this is good price for Porsche and for, so up to you guys. Some sets as well, as always. Some metal machines as well. And rest constructions. Some cheaper versions and some biggest cars. So 143. Someone looking some little bigger cars and collecting. This is nice as well. This is 4GT. Definitely this scale 143 look. You can see more details of the car. Look at this M6. They looks really nice, and the quality, to be honest, they looks as well nice. Alright, Diecast lovers, so that's it. We just see all the cars in Smith. We got some nice sets. New one from Spider-Man. And there'll be new set as well from Honda Civic, but I can only find 3 cars from the set, so maybe next time there'll be more. I hope you enjoyed this video, so just leave a like, subscribe, and see you soon. Take care, guys.
Let it go.